she has a red too, she has on her own. Yeah. So what? You know what? This is gonna be like it's gonna be Star Wars. We're gonna fight the red team or the blue team.
For real, that's right.
Well, they're strong. They're strong.
Remove the head.
Three to the right.
Two.
Two to the left. Two to the left. How many? Three to the right side. How many? Two, left side.
Attention security detail. All prisoners are to remain within specified lanes.
After us.
Two.
Behind them. I'll have to follow them all the way down.
Thank you.
All the way down to the next lieutenant. 4 on the blue, 4 on the red. How many? 2 right here on silver. How many's there? 4. Right behind them on orange. For 4 of you. And that must make you 2. You're going to join these 2 on silver. They're now your new best friends, whether you like them or not. Resistance spies, sympathizers, whatever you call yourselves, pay attention. Especially to those colors I've just assigned you, as they are going to play an important part of this interrogation. As a reminder, over here we have blue and red, and over here we have silver and orange. Now, as a gesture of good faith, I can see quite a few of you with some items on the tops of your heads. If these items hold any significant value or meaning in your life, now would be a good time to take those off and hold on to them. Your interrogators are now ready, blue and red, and inside, find your colors on the left side. Go ahead. Stand on silver and orange directly behind. You will find your colors on the right. Find them. Stand on them. No, it's no wonder you got caught. Even I could have spotted that shirt from the galaxy far, far away.
Prisoners are secure.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Silver on the right.
Hold your back, go by your feet, go left to right.
Wait,
Are you okay?
within the task force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find a way.
Recopos, para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
The other side.
Side road, pull on the yellow strap on your right.
You got it?
Got it.
Alright, now front row, pull on the yellow strap on your right. There's that yellow strap on your right side. Good. Now, everyone, put your hands up in the air. Right, good in front.
get down to the escape pod base, those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. What? Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, this wasn't a prisoner.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway? Does not look good. Trying to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now! Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. Alright, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Rhino, scan for his pod beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.